castle. This is the castle over this side, and this is a stately home. So I'm going to walk round, have a look. I've already decided that I'm going to get my camera out anyway, because the sky's really grey, and I'm going to do myself a grey moody shot back to embracing the grey again. Straight on, straight in front of this, with a big sky in it, and bring out all the detail in the sky and just do something a bit moody and contrasty. So I've already going to decided doing that, but I'm going to have a walk round anyway, see if I can find myself a bit more of a composition as well. I've been here once before, some time ago. Again, it might make quite a nice image, right? If I can do a little short vlog of something simple like this, then I will. So I'll take you around it. We'll have a quick look. It's down in Shrewsbury. I'll put a link below, the address and the details of where we are, so you can visit it if you're passing. Snow would be nice. I reckon it'd be nice if it was here in the snow. God, there's not a lot left at all. Last time I come, there was a lot more of the building left, but it looks like only the gables left now. Elizabethan mansion it is, an Elizabethan mansion. Robert Corbet inherited Moreton Corbet in 1578, so that's not bad, is it? 1578. Anyway, we've got a farm behind it that side, so I wouldn't say it's overly interesting with the farm, but we'll have a look at the gable this end as well, and if we can get something with the gable looking through the windows, we will do. This isn't a bad little angle down here. If we can come down here, you can get a good view there. Good view looking up at the gable. But yeah, I'll get my camera out. We'll have a look. Put it set up somewhere. Try and put it in its environment. I think the other end's definitely better. Of course, the castle's over this side. There's even a church. I might have a look in the church as well. I like these little places. Not very landscape photography like, but photography is photography to me. But yeah, I'll go and get the camera out of the car and I'll come back to you. I've just been talking to a lady just back there now with her family. She sounds American. And she's traced the history back that somewhere down the line her name Corbett is part of the heritage. So she's sort of, this is sort of part of the family maybe, which is really cool. So she's going to check me out on YouTube, and if she does, I hope she leaves a comment below. So I hope you all say hello to her. We'll look at this gable, because the next time I come, it might not be here. So it's going to grab the camera. I've got the camera set really high. I'm getting it high because I want to try and get a straight on perspective as I can. If you're looking up to it, everything seems to bow out, and I don't like it bowing out. So I've got it up as high as I can possibly go on this tripod, which is about 6 foot, which isn't bad. I've got the manor in the bottom right hand thirds, and I've got this tree just clipping on the left hand side of the screen. This really is holding in the image, stopping your eye from wandering into infinity. I've put a 9-stop soft graduate filter in, holding the sky down a little bit, bringing my histogram in a little bit straighter or a little bit peakier in the middle. Without it, it peaks out to the right, and I'm losing a bit. But yeah, no, the histogram's looking okay. I've got detail, I've got shadow detail, and I've got highlight detail. On a 2-second timer, f10, 20th of a second. There's some people milling around, so I'm going to take the image now while there's no people around. It saves me cloning them out afterwards. When I came here last time, there was a lot more of the side of the building, and the building just seems to have disappeared over the last few years. So you don't know what's going to be left the next time I come. If this gable drops or the windows fall out, it'd be a shame not to have a decent picture of it. So yeah, I think you'll like it. Nice and moody, sort of takes you back in time a little bit. This time we're looking at the side of the building. Again, using the 9-stop soft grad, just to bring the sky back down, to make sure that you get the detail in the sky. I've got the walls leaning in, so in post-processing I'm going to have to try and straighten it out. I'm going to try and show you on the back of the screen if I can. Something like that. You can see it's quite dominant, quite a powering image. We are shooting at f10, 30th of a second, and yeah, I quite like them. I like these sort of images, so I'll take it now, 2-second timer. Yeah, hopefully my volume's a bit better. I've got a different mic. I'm using the H1 zoom recorder. Just messing with the settings at the moment, so we're trying a few different things out. If I've got it right, then I'm sure you're listening to me. If I've got it wrong, then you probably aren't. Like the content and you want to see more, hit the little notification bell, please subscribe, it means a lot to me, and yeah, give us a comment. I like to read the comments and I'm replying to every single comment at the moment. So yeah, like, subscribe, tell your friends, hit the notification